Am I audible? Class? So now it's working. Chalo, good morning all of you. Chalo, in last lecture, I have given you one question. Mr. Yashwant having 12 lakh rupees income and having 3 age. 30 years, 65 years, 89 years. Am I right or not? Yes. So, what will be the answer? Chalo. 1 minute. So I got reply from Amruta.
Thirty 65 years now, 89 and 60.
1,72,500 rupees. Chalo, is it right or not? આવે છે બધાને? શું આવે? 1 lakh? Okay, have you considered health and education says? Yes, that's right. Amruta has not considered health and education says. Am I right or not? Yes, you are supposed to consider health and education says 4%. That is on income tax. So you are right. Jai. Chalo. Rest of the students, please give me the answer. If Mr. Yashwant is 30 years old, and what will be the answer? ચલો જેનિલ નથી સોલ્વ કર્યું નીરવ નહીં ચલો કરો અત્યારે કરો ડુ ઇટ રાઈટ નાઉ ચલો ઓનલાઈન only 4 students Rohin Banu Amruta. Okay, Amruta has given the answer. Srina Nishtha 4 plus 6 10 students. 3 students are absent. Mayank, Farjan, Timan. Yes, okay. Chalo. Chalo, please concentrate over here. We are going to solve the question. Hello. Mr. Yashwant having total income 12 lakh rupees at the age of 30 years. It means he is not senior citizen and he has not obtained 115 BSc. That is new slab of income tax without any exemption and deduction. So he wants to claim exemptions and deductions. Chalo, first point. Up to 2,50,000, it will be nil. So this is the lower limit and upper limit. So lower limit 2,50,000, tax rate will be nil. So answer will be 0. Now 5 lakh minus 2,50,000. Here 5 lakh minus 2,50,000. Let me zoom it. Clear? 5 lakh minus 2,50,000. The tax rate will be 20%. And here the total income is 12 lakh rupees. That's why 12 lakh minus the lower limit 10 lakh, it will be 2 lakh. So it will be taxable at the rate 30%. So we have to just multiply the income with the respective rate. So you will get the rate. Total amount of tax 12,500, 1 lakh rupee, 60,000, and now total of all these four will be 1,72,500. Clear? Now here surcharge is written, that is pending, that we are going to learn right now. Now health and education says is 4%. It is calculated on your tax payable. That is 4% of tax payable. So now your total tax payable amount will be 1,79,400 rupees. Clear? For 30 years only. For 30 years only. Is it clear? Are you getting this or not? Hello. Any doubt? Online? Any doubt or not? Hello. Well, now, if you have any doubt, you can raise your doubt. We are moving ahead. If the age is 65 years instead of 30 years. So now, here, the limit will be 3 lakh rupees. So, the difference amount is 3 lakh rupees. Here, it will be 2 lakh. Rest of the figures will be same. So 0, 10,000, 1 lakh, 60,000. Total amount payable is 1 lakh 70,000 rupees. And health and education says is 6,800. Tax payable will be 1 lakh 76,800 rupees. Clear? Sir, 1,72,000 minus, no, actually health and education says is payable, it's not deductible. Srina, look, if control Z, okay, so 1,72,000 plus 6,900, we have done sum. Health and education says is payable, na, it's not rebate. Rebate is available as a deduction, section 87A, but health and education says is separate tax, one type of cess, payable on income tax and surcharge. Payable on income tax and surcharge. It is for the specific purpose for health and education. It will be used for specific purpose. For example, in financial year 1920, Indian government has received 10,000 crore rupees as health and education cess from the taxpayers. So it will be used by Indian government for health and education purpose only. They can't use for any other purpose. But sir, what about income tax? Income tax can be used for any purpose. But health and education says will be used for health and education purpose only. Not abnormal situations. Done? Okay. So now control Y. Right? Control Y. Not accepting my command. Clear now? So health and education says will be 6,800. It will be added and total tax payable will be 1,76,800 rupees. Clear? The deduction is available and there are so many things that can be done. It's not like that 1,76,800 is payable. Okay? He can invest. He can purchase home and take home loan. So home loan interest and principal amount both are deductible. That we will discuss stage wise. Chalo. હવે Yashwant Dada. It means 89 years old. So this limit will be gone. Or I have given the reference. So let me write down 5 lakh rupees over here. So nil, 5% will be nil. There is nothing. Okay. Really. There is nothing like 5% directly. 20% and 30%. And tax payable will be 1,60,000 plus health and education says 6,400 rupees. 1,66,400 rupees. Clear? Formula આપેલી છે. If you are saying I will remove the formula and calculate press. કરું એવું?
For example, 89 years, 80 years હોય કોઈ elder અને એના નામનો બિઝનેસ હલાવતો એના છોકરો
એને સેલેરી મળતી હોય, એક્સપેન્સમાં બાદ મળતી હોય. चलो ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स निष्ठा, अमृता, फरजान, श्रीना, हिमंत 1 2 3 4 5. Is it clear or not? Chalo reply fast. So I have to start surcharge, new concept. Chalo now, sir, more than 10 lakh rupees, if I am earning 10 crore rupees. Now, for example, if I am earning not 12 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh. These are the chiller amounts for me. I am earning 10 crore rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 crore rupees. So the same tax rate will be applicable. The same slab rate will be applicable. I am 89 years old and I am following the same tax rate. So this is true or not? So answer is yes, but surcharge will be levied. Now, sir, what is this surcharge? Surcharge means in addition to tax, you are supposed to pay tax on tax. Tax on tax. In simple word, if I were to say in one line, tax on tax, it means surcharge. The person is supposed to pay surcharge on it. Sir, what is the percentage? It is also slab wise. Okay, so let's discuss. બહુ મજા આવશે આજે. ચલો, let's discuss surcharge. Hello class. Module number 1, surcharge. This is part of module 1, okay? તો બાકી રાખ્યું તો because after understanding residential status it will be easy. Chalo, this is the same question I have given you. Okay, but here is Mr. X, brother of Mr. Yaswant. Chalo, same question I have given to you. But, that is immaterial, na? 82 or 89. I am talking about the figures only. Okay, I have given you. Okay, chalo, not same, similar question. Acha, 82 days written. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, that is printing mistake. If it is Mr. Taimur, then he can earn 12 lakh rupees. If he is Mr. Taimur or Jahangir. Not Jahangir. Jahangir. એમાં બહુ મોટો ઇશ્યુ ડિબેટ છે આખી. That we will discuss later. Yes, you don't know? Chalo. That's not our issue. Chalo. Surcharge. Hello, now please concentrate over here. This is most IMP. Individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, artificial, juridical person, all are supposed to pay surcharge. Income tax computed in accordance with the provisions of subpara 1 of para 44.1 or 111A or 112 or 112A or 115 BAC would be increased by surcharge. It means surcharge will be levied. Surcharge will be levied. Sir, how it is calculated? Chalo, read the first two columns only, okay? Not third and fourth. First column, where total income, including dividend income, capital gain, chargeable to tax under section 111A and 112A, more than or greater than Please read the highlighted words, okay? Greater than 50 lakh, but up to 1 lakh, up to 1 crore. It means less than or equal to 1 crore, then you are supposed to pay surcharge on income tax. Surcharge on income tax. चलो आप भूल करे से बता लोगों. Surcharge is chargeable on income tax and not on income. Okay, not on income, on income tax. So you are supposed to calculate income tax first and then tax. Surcharge. Okay, so 10% on income tax. Clear? Sir, my income is more than 1 crore. More than 1 crore, no? Not equal to 1 crore. If equal to 1 crore, then 10%. More than 1 crore. But less than or equal to 2 crore, then 15%. 15%. Example 10, example 9 that we will discuss later on. Illustration ઘણા બધા કરશું આપણે આના. ચલો. Where my total income is more than 2 crore but up to 5 crore, then 25%. 25%. And last, where my total income is more than 5 crore rupees, then 37% surcharge will be levied. Sir, it is slab wise? No, it is given slab wise, but if my income is 10 crore rupees, then only one tax surcharge rate will be applicable, and that is 37%. It is not like that. First 10%, then 20%, then 25%, then 35, 37. So તમે ગાંડા થઈ જાઓ. Oh, it's not like that. You are supposed to calculate the one rate by one rate only. If 50 lakhs to 1 crore, then 10%. More than 1 crore, up to 2 lakh, up to 2 crore, 20, 15%. More than 2 crore, up to 5 crores, 25%. More than 5 crores, 37%. That's it. હજી આવશે એનાથી વધારે કદાચ. સોરી, હમણાં કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરશું આપણે. Up to 30 to 40% of income will be gone in income tax. Yes, but income tax is available for deductions are available, but up to certain limit. Rate of surcharge on income tax payable on the portion of dividend income and capital gain chargeable to 111A and 112A. Now you don't know what is this 111A and 112A. So in this semester, you are not going to ask this question. This question will be not there. Why? Because let me give you brief idea. First of all, portion of dividend income. Portion of dividend income means income from other sources. Dividend income is not your salary. It is not your house property rent income. It is not your PGBP, means profit and gains from business and profession. It's not your capital gain. It is your other sources income. It's your other income. So it will be taxable under the fifth head. So this is what written over here, on which surcharge cannot be levied more than 15%. If you are earning only dividend income and capital gain income, then surcharge cannot be levied more than 15%. Chargeable to tax under section 111A, that is short term capital gain, and 112A, that is long term capital gain. That is your fourth head of income, capital gain, and your first module in semester 4. Okay, એ બધું ત્યાં કરશું આપણે. Right now you are supposed to remember 10, 15, 25, 37. 10 ક્યારે? 50 lakh to 1 crore. 15 ક્યારે? 1 crore to 2 crore. 25, 2 crore to 5 crore. 37, more than 5 crore. Where total income including dividend income and capital gain chargeable is more than 2 crore, 15%. Not exceeding 15%. Here 15%, but that is not the case. That I will let you know in semester 4 in detail. Don't worry, because you don't know what is dividend income, what is capital gain, how to charge. Special rates are there. Capital gain, special rates are there. Normal slab rate will not be applicable. Sir, where it is given? Here. તમારે ગોતવું પડશે આમાં. In this module it is given special rates. Yes. ચલો મળી ગયા. Look, 112 capital gain tax rate is 20%. These are the prescribed specific rates. It means if you are earning this, it will be taxable at the rate this percentage and not slab wise. Then long-term capital gain on transfer of equity shares, equity-oriented fund, business trust, 10%. Okay, this is it is in separate chapter. Okay, so we can't discuss in one lecture or in 10 minutes. So it is for the reading purpose. Just there are special rates. 111A short-term capital gain on transfer of equity shares, business trust, unit-oriented fund 15%, and last one winning from lottery, crossword puzzle, card games, anything casual income then 30%, and unexplained money it is 60%. આ point તમારે આવશે, but before this point we are going to study surcharge. ચલો surcharge clear? Let's do practical questions. This is for individuals only, okay? Chalo, one more concept. Marginal relief.
સર એટીસી માં કેટલા હોય?
30%. One type of other income and one type of winning from games. Sir, Dream 11 માં જીતા હોય તો same.
તમે આને કીધું એક કરોડ જીતો 30 લાખ ગવર્નમેન્ટ લઈ લે.
Not 30 lakh. એમાં પછી આ બધું નહીં લાગે. Surcharge, health and education says.
હા કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કન્ડિશન માં તમે લઈ કોઈ
Income tax that is 30%. Surcharge, health and education, these will be there. એ ન લખે બધું. એટલે એ બધું તમારા TDS માં જતું રહે. ઓલું જે TDS કટ થાય પછી એ બધું TDS માં જાય. Surcharge, health and education says it will be gone. એ તો ગયા.
ગવર્નમેન્ટ ઇક્વિટી લેવા.
Chalo, marginal relief that we will discuss in practical question because in theory it will be very difficult. Chalo. Start with question number 2. Chalo, I want answer. Then we will discuss marginal relief. Chalo, online students, please give me the answer of illustration number 2. What will be the tax payable? Ishan. Done? What's your answer?
1476750.
Okay.
Surcharge is 134250. Income tax is 13425,200. Surcharge લગાડ્યા પછી 14,76,700. આ history એ check કરી લો. ये बात आप बिल पे चेक करना क्रॉस चेक कर
પેલા એ તે નહીં પછી કેવી પેલા સરચાર્જ પછી એમાં loss of all surcharge will be there, and then health and education says will be levied on income tax plus surcharge. અત્યારે health and education says ભૂલી જાઓ. Forget health and education says.
એજ્યુકેશન ટેક્સ કરવાનો ને
અત્યારે નહીં. I'm going to चलो रेडी ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स So, chalo, I am going to solve this question in Excel. Look. Chalo. First of all, my income is 51 lakh rupees. Okay. So up to 2,50,000, no tax. 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. चलो आप तो स्पीड में थी जाए. Multiply by 5%, 12,005. This will be fixed. This is 1 lakh fixed. Now 51 lakh minus 10 lakh. On 41 lakh rupees, you are supposed to charge 30%. So total tax payable will be 13,42,500 rupees. Now this is income tax payable. Okay, done. Now surcharge will be levied more than 50 lakh up to 1 crore. How much? 10%. So I'm writing over here 10%. And it is on tax. I have earlier said multiply by 10%. So tax payable will be 14,76,750. Sir, what about health and education says? Yes, it will be there. It will be there. health and education says 4%, and it will be on which amount? On total of tax and surcharge. Is multiplied by 4%. Okay, and it will be added in this. Here, so total tax now payable. Okay. Done. 15 lakh 35,820. But now we are going to learn marginal relief. Sir, what is this marginal relief? So, marginal relief means, look, we are doing the same question but with Excel course 1. With same numbers, same figures, but I am changing the figures. Here I am writing 50 lakh rupees. Sir, why 50 lakh rupees? Because there will be no surcharge. So surcharge will be gone. More than 50 lakh there is surcharge, na? Up to 50 lakh there is no surcharge. So now the tax payable will be 13 lakh 12,000 rupees. 13 lakh 12,000 rupees, and surcharge will be gone. 0. Health and education says it will be there in both the situations. That's why I am ignoring this. It will be same in both the situations, 4%. So look the difference between these two. If I am earning just 1 lakh rupee more, by my income is increased by 1 lakh rupee, I am supposed to pay how much? 14 lakh 76,000 minus 13 lakh 12,000. 1 lakh 64,250 rupees. એટલે સર હું 1 લાખ કમાઉં ને 1,64,000 ટેક્સ ભરું. Are you getting this? Sir, હું 50 લાખ કમાઉં છું ઘણું હવે મારો બિઝનેસ બંધ કરી દો. I am going to shut down my business. Why? Sir, હું 1 લાખ અર્ન કરીશ મારે 1,64,000 ભરવાના થશે. If my income is increased by 1 lakh rupee, my tax will be increased by 1,64,000 rupees. 1,64,000. So I am not going to earn this. I am not going to earn this. If I want to earn, I will earn direct 60 lakh or I will show 50 lakh. Tax evasion will be there. Tax evasion કરશે માણસો. In my income tax return, હું મારા ક્લાયન્ટ ને કહું, સર 51 lakh rupees માં તમારે 14 lakh 76,000 ભરવાના, 50 lakh માં 13 lakh 12,000 ભરવાના. મને શું કહે? He will directly say 50 lakh જ બતાવો. I will tell him this is tax evasion, this is not legal. But he તરત મને કહેશે કે no, I will change my CA. તમે નથી કરી શકો એમ ને? I will change my CA. હું બીજે કરાવી. Practical situation. So income tax department comes to the notice of this type of issue. So marginal relief will be given. Sir, what will be the marginal relief? So this excess amount, excess tax will be reduced by the excess income. That is 1 lakh rupee. That is 1 lakh rupee. It will be less by 1 lakh rupee. And rebate, or sorry, not rebate, relief. Please mark my word, not rebate, relief. Relief is given 1 lakh 64 minus 1 lakh. So this is relief given to you. This is marginal relief, 64,250. It means here tax payable will be, here I will consider the relief first and then 14 lakh 12,000. Yes, તો જે 51 લાખ અર્ન કરે છે એને જ રિલીફ મળે ને. ઓને શું રિલીફ મળે? ક્લિયર? 50 લાખ વાળાને તો આમે નથી લાગતો ટેક્સ. Relief is available for those who are earning more, na, or less. Is it clear or not? ચલો હવે હેલ્થ એન્ડ એજ્યુકેશન સેસ લઈ આવીએ આપણે. હેલ્થ and education says that is 4%, and that will be on total 14 lakh 12,500 rupees. So total payable amount will be 56,500 and tax payable will be this plus this 14 lakh 69,000 rupees. Clear? This relief point. Let me write down marginal relief. Clear or not?
Sir, suppose an income 52 lakh હોય તો marginally બધી વખતે marginal rate.
હા, તો પછી માર્જિનલ રિલીફ ન મળે. ઇન્કમ કરતાંય વધારે થાય ટેક્સ તો જ આવે. ઇન્કમ વધારે થઈ ગઈ તો પછી ન આવે ને. આ શું કામ મળે છે તમને? બીકોઝ યોર ઇન્કમ ઇઝ લેસ ધેન યોર ટેક્સ.
Sir, same amount, sir, suppose same amount હોય
તો પછી
marginally same amount હોય, same amount હોય.
બસ તો મળી જાય એટલી રિલીફ ટેક્સ એન્ડ ઇન્કમ. એવી સિચ્યુએશન રેરેસ્ટ ઓફ ધી રેર સિચ્યુએશન થાય. આ મળી જાય રિલીફ.
સારી રીતે.
2 લાખ કમાણો બરોબર અને આ વાગે બરોબર ખાલી 4,000 આવે.
પણ એ તો તમારી થર્ડ લિમિટે પહોંચો પછી ને. નાવ જો નાવ તમે કહો છો એ પર્સન્ટેજ કાઉન્ટ કરીએ. divided by 51 lakh 28% એનો ટેક્સ ભરવાનો થાય. tax payable will be 28%. 51 lakh ના 28.80% આનો net tax rate આવે. Clear?
CA હોય તો કેટલો tax છે?
ઇન્કમ ઉપર હોય ને. સીએ હોય કે ડોક્ટર.
એટલે પણ આવતી હોય ત્યારે EC ચાલશે ને CA.
હા, they know the rules, they know the law. એટલે એમ ના આવે બટ ઓકે. ચલો ઓનલાઈન સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, આર યુ ધેર? ચલો ક્લાસ, આર યુ ધેર? Is it clear or not? Chalo. If you have any doubt, you can raise your doubt in chat box. Next, because it's already our session is over and I have another session. Only 10 minutes. Chalo. If you have any doubt, you can raise your doubt, unmute yourself, or write down your enrollment number in chat box. Only online. Thank you. Eight 8013 8011 801 8003 8004 8005 1 2 3 4 5 6 done. Chalo, thank you all of you.